Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python topic, and today's topic is that variable length arguments in Python. Actually in Python, variable length arguments are two types. One is non-keyworded variable length arguments and another is keyworded variable length arguments, right? When we define non-keyworded variable length arguments in Python, then it is denoted by asterisk and a variable name like asterisk args, okay? And when we define keyworded variable length arguments in Python, then we define double asterisk and then variable name. Example, double asterisk kwargs, okay? So I will discuss step by step how to define or how to code variable length arguments in Python using PyCharm IDE. So go to the computer screen. Through PyCharm IDE, I will discuss variable length arguments in Python step by step, okay? Hello friends, I'm just within the PyCharm ID and here I'm just write the code for how to define variable length arguments in Python. Actually in Python, if you define variable length arguments, we can define in two ways. One is non-keyworded variable length arguments and another is keyworded variable length arguments. So one after another I will discuss separately two different programs for two different ways how to define variable length arguments in Python, okay? So at first we already create the file, name is ex2.py, and at first we define a function and through which we can define these variable length arguments, okay? So at first we write the function and suppose the function name is suppose display, so def display, okay? And at first we put the example for non-keyworded variable length arguments, okay? So just we send asterisk and suppose arg. Actually what happened when we define non-keyworded variable length arguments, it should be denoted by asterisk and variable name, means for example asterisk arg, okay? So that's why we are defining def display and asterisk arg, okay? And now suppose we take another variable sum equal to 0 and then we use a for loop for I in, just write arg and then put colon and then we just sum up. So just write sum equal sum plus I, okay? And after outside of the for just print the sum value and then we just print within double quote, just write new line, okay? And now this is the body of the function display and just call this display. Suppose we send some value here 12,23. So here we put two argument, okay? And now if we just run this code, because already saved within the file ex2.py, just run and choose run ex2, just see it display the sum 12 plus 23 is 35, print sum value is 35, okay? Now what happened here, arg actually a tuple. How we can confirm that? If we want to print this type, so just write print and just write type arg, okay? And again if we run this code, so run ex2, just see 35 is the sum value and what the type of this arg is tuple, okay? So when we non-keyworded variable length argument we are defining, actually the parameter within the function actually it's a tuple. So whatever the number of argument we are sending, because it's a variable length, here we send 2, if we send 4 arguments, suppose 1, 2, extra 2 argument we are sending, total 4, so it do the same thing within the arg because it's as a tuple. So if we run it, so it will just increase the sum value 38 because 35 plus 1 plus 2 actually it 38. So this is the example of first type, or it is the first way how to define non-keyworded variable length argument in Python. Okay, now go for the second types, which is keyworded variable length argument in Python. Okay, so we are defining another function. Suppose same name, def display. Now here we are sending the argument for keyworded. So just write double asterisk and then put the variable name. Suppose here we are sending the name of the variable is KWARG. Okay, so it should remember when we are talking about keyworded variable length argument, the argument actually we are sending here as a dictionary. So here KWARG as a dictionary, because non-keyworded variable length argument, in that case it's just as a tuple, but here KWARG actually a dictionary. If we confirm it, so that case we are printing the type of this KWARG. Okay, so for example, so this is the function and we just write the logic here. So at first what happened, we just suppose for case we take for I comma j, because we know if it's a dictionary, so it's have a pair, so key and the value. So that's why we take for I comma j in, and then just write KWARG dot items. Okay, because this is a method which is inbuilt within the dictionary data structure in Python. We already know that. And now if we print simple, just write I comma and within double quote just write, put an arrow symbol like that and then j. So it will print like that, at first the key, then a arrow, and then just the value of that particular dictionary is concerned. Okay, and also we want to print the type for confirming that it's the dictionary or not. So just write print and within that just write type KWARG. Okay, same way this is the end of the function, and now we are sending the arguments. Just call the function display, and now here we send what, keyworded, right? Because the type is keyworded variable length argument, so we need to send the keyword. Okay, suppose we write here name. Okay, the variable name is name, and just write here suppose Arnab, and then comma channel equal and then double quote, and then just write within technical RON. Okay, and then suppose we write here, now after that we just write another name, suppose DOG, date of join, for that channel is concerned. For an example, just write here suppose 2008. For an example is there. So here we send the keyworded name or channel technical arcane, date of join or DOG is 2008. So here name is actually your key and Arnab is a value. Same way channel is a key, technical arcane is your value, DOG is your key, and 2008 is your value, right? So in that case names will be go into I and Arnab will be go in j. In that way all the pair present within the dictionary it will be displayed. Okay, so we already write this code within the file ex2.py. so just go to run and choose run ex2. Just see it print same manner, name arrow Arnab, channel technical arcane, date of join 2008, and already told what the variable it is, KWARG is a dictionary. Okay, so when we send keyworded variable length argument, it's actually a dictionary, and when we send non-keyworded variable length argument, it's actually a tuple. I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very simple. What is variable length argument in Python? Actually, it is a two-way we can define. One is non-keyworded variable length argument and other is a keyworded variable length argument. If you have some problem today's topic is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. If you like this topic or like this video, just like it, share it. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it today after this. Thank you and bye bye.